Ever wonder how AI finds the right answer so fast? Behind every smart AI, there's a smart database called a vector database. Let's break it down. Traditional databases are great for exact matches, like names or IDs. But AI deals with meaning, not exact words. AI converts text, images, even audio into vectors, long lists of numbers that capture their meaning. It's like mapping ideas into math. A vector database stores those number lists and finds the closest match fast. It's not looking for exact words, but similar meanings. Ask for top Italian recipes and a vector search might return one titled Best Pasta Recipes. Not a keyword match, but a concept match. Similar recipes pop up even if those exact words don't match. From chatbots to search, fraud detection to product recs, AI needs vector search to understand you, not just match text. Tools like Pinecone, pgvector, Faiss, and Weaviate make this possible, each built to handle millions of vectors with blazing speed. Some are optimized for search, others for scale, and many integrate easily with your AI stack. TLDR? Vector databases find similar things, not identical ones. And that's exactly what AI needs to feel smart. Like fast, friendly tech explainers? Subscribe to TLDR Tech for bite-sized answers to big questions.